Hello everyone. In the last class, we are discussing about data types in C Sharp. So now we will discuss type conversion. One type of value to other type of value. Here type means data type, right? So but when we are discussing about the data types, so majorly there are two types of values where we can store in the memory. Now means types, data types, value type and reference type. Now you can see the point here. In C Sharp, these data types are categorized based on how they store their value in memory. So generally, we are going to write programs to perform operations over data only. So data, whenever a program is in run, the data is going to get stored in the RAM, which is random access memory. So now you can able to see here. So already we know that how to store a value in the variable in C Sharp. Now I is a variable which is declared with the int type, and then the value which is stored in this variable is 100. Now when this particular statement, when this line is getting executed, what will happen? What the compiler will do? Now here the thing is the data value 100 will get stored in the RAM. So random access memory. We know the units of a RAM like 1 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, we will say, right? So then here the thing, this data 100 is going to get stored in the RAM at one particular memory location. Now you can able to see directly this I is pointing to this particular address location where this data is getting stored. It means that so I will hold directly the value. We can say simply. So this is called as value type, right? In variables, directly the value will get stored. So then what are the different data types which will comes under the value type? Boolean data, byte, char, decimal, double, enum, float, int, long, s byte, short, structures, uint, ulong, ushort, all these are the value types. And then coming to the reference type. So reference. So here you can able to see a variable s. So this s is declared with the string data type. Okay. Now we have to store a string data in this variable s. Yes, you can able to see this line here. So I'm moving the cursor here. So then here you see. So a string is stored, right? The statement is completed. Now what is happening or what will happen when this line got executed by the compiler? Now, however, string is a data must be stored in the RAM only. But here you observe what is happening. So reference types will be actually the data will be stored in one different memory location. Actually, that address location of that data where it is stored in that memory is going to get stored in the another memory location. And then this address of this particular address where it is stored here is pointed with this variable s. Now reference type variable contains, now you can able to see the point. Reference type variable contains address where the value is stored. Now actually hello world is stored in another address location, right? That address location is stored here. Now we can able to see in the picture. Now the address of this data where it is stored in the RAM, that address is getting stored here in different memory location, right? So this memory location is pointed with the S variable. Now reference type stores address where the value is stored, right? So this is called as the reference types. What are the reference data types? Now we can see string, arrays, classes, delegates. These are the reference data types. Right?